wasn't party playing. I used to live my life behind closed doors, but I can't keep going no more. Can't take away me for you to see, just to please of what you believe. I wore my heart tight on my sleeve just to be who you want me to be. Used to be the one that you protect from my everything straight to neglect. I don't deserve this disrespect, cause you taught me much more better than that. If I never spoke up and this was kept, what more of us do we have left? What's so hard for you just to accept? What part of me don't you get?
Some see love with their eyes, some see love with their hearts. If love is blind, then tell me why image takes place over feelings one has for another inside. Tell me why.
Because we don't see eye to eye. If I say I'm happy, why ask me why? Ignorance is bliss, so much amiss. I'm the same person I've always been. The harsh word you said still stuck in my head. For me being alive, but to you being dead. This is my life that I'm living.